What's going on, guys? This is the greatest show on earth right here. We're talking about fence camp. Yeah, it's 8:15 in the morning. We have a good start going on. These guys got 5 post drove. They've got four post drove. They've got about 7 post drove. We got another crew getting ready to fire up. So our goal is to have all these post drove by noon, and that is going to be like over 320 posts. We'll see what happens. Well, what do we got here? This is called A Great Day in Fencer's Paradise. We have pounded a ton of posts this morning. By lunch we had almost 300 plus posts in the ground. And right now the team is installing rails. So getting into the rhythm right now, figuring out the best process to get these things attached. We'll have about half this fence rail today. That's a pretty damn good darn day right there. This fence is a one-of-a-kind King Plus ranch rail fence in a basket weave. So the 2x6s are in a basket weave. What that does is that it applies constant pressure against both sides of the post and keeps the rails tight to the post. So even if the nails or fasteners or screws start to deteriorate or fail, the wood shrinks and the fastener starts to work itself loose, the board naturally is pressed against the post. It's just all pressed against itself. It's a very solid system. Again, it's a no-dig system, and the thought is this fence should last 60 plus years. The lumber we're using is a .40 CCA pressure treatment ground contact, even though it's not in contact with the ground. And then Schedule 40 galvanized 2.5-inch steel post 4 foot in the ground. That's going to last a long time. On top of that, we're going to cap all these posts with a fence armor cap that's going to protect the top of the post, to prevent any water from getting down inside the post, any water from getting down to that 2 3/8. And any of the end grain on the top of these posts is going to be covered with that fence armor. And then all the butt joints that we have of the 2x6 horizontal rails, we're going to put a dimmy on those, and that dimmy is going to hide the end of the rail and also protect the end of that rail, that cut in, from the elements, right? So the sun won't be able to get to it. Weather, water, it won't be in direct contact with water anyway. So we'll get this all built and see how well it does with the test of time.